Hey guys, PC Fix Faults here. I'm going to show you the new best updated NVIDIA settings. So first we're going to search up NVIDIA Control Panel. Then we're going to go to Manage 3D Settings. We're going to have Image Scaling off, this off, Application Controlled, off, 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 none, off, off, and CUDA GPUs all. CUDA system fallback policy driver default. DLCR factors off. DSR smoothness off. Now low latency mode. You want to put it on ultra. Max frame rate off. Multi-frame sampled AAMF AA off. GL compatibility auto. Open GL rendering GPI auto select. Power management plan here. We want to put prefer maximum performance. So basically this just makes your PC set for maximum performance, as it says. Preferred refresh rate, application controlled. So like if you chose 144 FPS in Fortnite, it will show that. Shader custom. And then we have these off. Allow high performance. Yeah, on the texture fill and quality, set up on high quality, high performance. And then off auto, off vertical sync. Unless you have vertical sync on games, put it on, but if you don't, just have that off. If you don't know what to do, just leave it off. And then all these should be user 3D application setting off auto. Then we're going to go to trains resolution, and depending on what resolution you're on, most people would be on 19 by 1080. Some people make the mistake by clicking on here, doing this one native, and it will only give you, so if I clicked on this and apply, it would only give me 120 FPS. But if I go down to this one, down here, it will give me 144 FPS. If you want it like that. Also, another tip, if you want to make a custom resolution, go over here, make a custom resolution and choose what you want to do. And then if you want the best colors for your games, you can copy these settings, but most of all have this about 80 to 100 for the best colors for your game. Also guys, search up NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA app, and once this opens up, go to drivers and download the new driver. And once you've done that, also another quick tip, if you go to a game that you play, like these, any of these, click on settings, and then you can change power value to quality or performance, and this will just change the best settings in the game for what you like. So if I would like balanced, I would have balanced. If I want my game completely performance based, here. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for my next video.